Hi, how are you?
Good, and you?
Pretty good.
Can I have one chili and cheese and then just one plain cheese?
Sure. You want mild chili or hot?
How hot is it?
It's not too bad, but it does have peppers, onions, and beans in it.
Yeah, no.
No, mild chili?
Yeah, I have an hour and a half drive.
Gotcha. You don't want to live on the edge today, huh? It's so funny how everybody hears beans and automatically thinks that, like, uh-oh.
Yeah, no. Crazy mixture.
Where are you heading?
I live down the shore.
Okay.
By Tom's River. I used to
Right.
live up here. Recently moved and I'm here and
Yeah, today.
She left you all alone, huh?
No, she moved to Texas.
Oh,
But
wow.
now she's moving back. Thank God.
I don't know. I like this place in New Jersey.
I know.
Too expensive.
Yeah.
I know.
I want one with chili, mild, or
Mild, please. I'm not
yeah,
stopping.
mild. Another option, mild, and one with ketchup.
She doesn't trust you to roll down a window, huh?
Not on the highway.
Oh, yeah, you don't know how your stomach is going to react. I'm not supposed to be having that, period, but
I haven't.
in Texas, I haven't found a good place.
Right.
Hot dog. I have
It's all, is it all?
place that makes pizza,
Right.
but no, nothing like
A
that.
lot of it's barbecue and stuff like that, all grilled. All right.
Do you have cream soda?
Yep.
I'll have a cream soda.
Me too.
Sue. Straw for you, straw for you. $15.50 is the total.
You go keep the change.
Oh, thank you very much, ladies. I appreciate it.
No problem.
So I guess I'll be seeing you again soon.
Oh, yeah.
How soon you planning on moving back?
Within the next month.
I'm trying to sell my
gave her a
house.
Back to this area?
I'm trying to sell my house in Texas, which
Oh,
I'm like, turn back to Jersey? I hate to went and I hate to snow.
But you love the food.
Oh, yeah. And the family, and the friends, and the people.
I'll see you. Take care. What's going on, bro?
What are you doing?
How you been?
Good. What are you doing?
You're working.
Cheese.
Chili cheese potato?
Cheese, but you know, whatever you want. Give me 2 of those.
You want them one at a time? Or you want me to wrap them up?
Just give me one now. I don't know.
Gotcha.
One now, wrap the other one.
What's going on? What's new? What's
Hey, bro,
exciting?
how's the store over there,
It's
bro?
doing all right. I'll put it right here. Yeah, it's doing all right.
I've been up there. I've been feeling like...
A couple napkins. You're welcome.
Take you 2 of them.
2 onions. You want them hot or sweet? Hot mustard or no?
I always ask the young kids when they're out, so
Yeah, I've been up there a lot, you know, trying to get it up off the ground and everything. Yeah, it's starting to pick up.
you know when I say chili cheese hot dog on the Instagram?
No.
That's me. You respond like this guy knows what he's talking about.
Yeah. You want one at a time too?
You don't have to wrap the other.
Okay.
I'll take a black tongue food and a tongue.
You're welcome.
Hey, what do you want to drink? Hey, what do you want to drink?
What's up, man? How you been?
Good, yourself?
Pretty good.
Mustard, hot, onions,
2 of them?
chocolate. Doing good?
Yeah. No major complaints.
No, same.
Heat toned down so I can get back out here.
There you go. I haven't seen you in the truck in a little while.
Yeah, I've been up at the store.
Yeah, no, I ain't seen that.
my favorite time of year, so I'll be around before the cold comes in. And now I'm like a hot dog snowbird, you know.
Nice day to be out here.
Definitely. I gave you a straw. 8.50. Here you go. 8 even's cool. Good seeing you. Take it easy. Appreciate it. I'll see you soon. Hi, how are you?
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
Not bad. Cowboy chili and cream cheese? Sure. And you did say cowboy chili?
Last time, no.
Anything else? Okay. So, $8 is the total. You're, oh, sure, I'll give you the option. Want the receipt? All right, thank you. You have a nice day. Ready for the other one?
Owe you more money?
No. That's it. 2 for you, 2 for him, 2 drinks. No, he didn't even get a drink.
You just gave me that. I don't need to hear it. We're sitting in the area. These ones to the back of me.
What, on your way here?
Right here. You're smoking that shit. Yeah, man. Fucking look like a football coach or something.
Everybody's smoking that shit, so it could have been.
I ain't smoking it.
You all done, Mike? You all done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. What's going on, man? How are you?
Right, can I get a one with mustard chili, and cheese,
Mustard chili cheese.
and then another one with mustard, cheese, and beans.
You want hot chili or mild chili? Mild. This one was just mustard, cheese, and chili. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then am I putting mustard on the other one?
Yeah, mustard.
Mustard, cheese, chili, bean?
No, just mustard, cheese, and beans.
Okay. Sure.
My first time I seen it when I was going to Burger King. I seen the river. I said, "Let's try this hot dog truck."
Oh, this is your first time here? Oh, you'll be back. I ain't worried about that.
Definitely.
Ever give you a straw? Yeah.
How much?
$8.50.
That's what I like to
10.
keep the dollar, bro.
Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. Enjoy them.
All right.
Hi, Emily.
Can you take this to my brother,
Mm-hmm.
please?
I can. Is there anything else? ¿Qué más?
Nada más.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, boss.
Yeah, the más. Sí, más. Yeah.
No.
Mi llave to the basement door. He said he'd get with license.
Oh,
Hey.
yeah.
Thank
Mike, it was good seeing you.
bro.
You got it. Take care. Don't worry. I tell him. Yo habla tu hermano.
Okay, I see you.
All right. Friday, I see you.
Bye, boss.
Bye bye. How you doing? Anything else? Mustard crowd, a little hot onion. I got it. I could do that. Looks okay. Okay. $12 is good. I won't charge her for the onion. $8. Thank you. You have a nice day. I appreciate it.